In this simple video, we'll show you how you can easily crop videos using Capcut. Capcut is one of the best free video editors for your iPhone and Android devices, and if you need to crop a video for your projects, TikTok videos, or other stuff, then I'll show you how you can do it in seconds. The first step is to open Capcut and then import the video which you want to crop. I have this great video right here of this view, and I'm going to crop it. What I have to do is to select my video and then scroll down until you can see this transform button. Click on that button and 3 different options will appear. You'll see this mirror button, the rotate button, and of course this resize button. Let's click on resize and the cropping editor will open where you will see a couple of different settings. You can crop your video easily with different aspect rations. You have a 9:16 aspect ratio, which we use for Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube Shorts. We also have the standard widescreen ratio, which is 16:9, and we have a couple more like a 1:1 and a 4:3, which are standard, but we can click on the first option, which is this free option, and that way we can crop a video in a freeform manner. Or you can select your own aspect ratio, and when you are finished, just click on this Done button, and we had successfully cropped our video. If this was helpful to you, then leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.